Hey guys, we're now in a triple bridge. This is the center of Ljubljana and we're having beautiful summer evening. We're now in front of the Ljubljana cemetery and look at it. This is really the place you would like to rest. We're in Tivoli Park now, which is, I would say, maybe the best park in Europe. We're in front of the National Library made by Plečnik. Maybe a more interesting things here in the city center. They look like there's the river there and it's full of beautiful girls, really, believe me. Hey, we're at the end of the tour around Ljubljana today, and yeah, really, like, there's a lot of things to see more, so one day is not enough here to spend in Ljubljana.